Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to customize your YouTube homepage or your YouTube video layouts. If you don't know what YouTube homepage is, let me show you. First of all, make sure you have your YouTube app on your phone, this one, and also make sure you have your YouTube Studio app, this one. Let's first of all get into the YouTube app. I'll click on it. Everyone has YouTube, right? Okay, let's go to my channel. This is my channel, Olachi Zacks. Let me click on it. Beautiful. So as we just clicked on my channel, the first place you landed on is what we call the home page. As you can see, if you scroll up, you see some suggested videos. This one they wrote for you. I seen it. It's YouTube that is suggesting this video. Maybe you're a new person that just visited my page, you're a new viewer. Whenever new viewers or new subscribers come to your channel, this is what your homepage should look like. And that's what I'm going to teach you on how to do so that it will be easier for people to watch your videos. So this first video you are seeing here,
ChatGPT,
this
can you?
one, let's go back. So this video is I set this video for new viewers and new subscribers. So if someone recently subscribed to my channel, or maybe I have a new viewer that is just checking out my YouTube channel, this video is recommended to them, and this they will have to watch before they watch any other one. Okay, it's more like a recommendation page where, okay, somebody is new to your channel and they don't know the best video to watch. Once they come to your homepage, they believe that you have suggested these videos for them, and it's more like your best video to watch to start from, to get to know you or to get to know the kind of content you put out on this space. Okay, so this is what your YouTube homepage should look like. Okay, then this one that is for you, YouTube algorithm uses its hand to recommend this for your viewers based on their view prescriptions, like based on the kind of videos they like. The YouTube algorithm already studied them, already have a data about your viewers and know the kind of content they prefer. So the YouTube algorithm would suggest these ones I'm scrolling past. The YouTube algorithm will come here and suggest those ones for them. While this first one that is small channels before it gets monetized is the one you set by yourself in your YouTube studio. When you set this video, you are either setting it for maybe new viewers who are coming new to your channel or new subscribers, depending. Then when we scroll down, this is what I call a single playlist layout. I'm going to show you guys how to do this, because if you check your channel now, maybe you're a new content creator, you just started your channel, you don't have these things, right? You don't have it. I'm going to show you how to do it. It doesn't automatically turn on. You have to set it by yourself at the YouTube setting, at the YouTube studio settings. Okay, so let me show you. Let's go to our YouTube studio to have your YouTube app and your YouTube studio. Okay, make sure you have Google Chrome on your phone, because these settings we are going to be doing it on a mobile phone. This video is particularly for small channels or for anyone who doesn't have access to a laptop. Okay, and you need to do these settings. Now let's go. First of all, you open your Google Chrome. Okay, let me clear this up so that you see what I'm doing. All right, so you let's go back. Now the next step is to open your Google Chrome. Okay, then come to your search bar and type in, as you can see here, I've already searched it before, but still type it in, YouTube dashboard. When you type in this YouTube dashboard, it's going to take you to the um it's going to bring you to the YouTube dashboard website, but this time around it will be on a desktop site. It will be as like you'll be doing these settings as though you are using a laptop or a computer to do these settings, because using your mobile phone to do your YouTube studio advanced settings is very limited, except you use a laptop or you use a computer. But since you don't have access to a laptop, you don't have access to a computer, I'm going to show you how to do it through the desktop website. Okay, now so click on YouTube dashboard, and it's going to bring us to our YouTube dashboard on a desktop site. Hold on, so I to load. Beautiful, guys. Okay, so this is what it should look like. All right, now let's zoom in so that I'll show you where you should come to and do these settings. Let's zoom in. This place that looks like a magic one is called the customization. Are you seeing it? It's called customization. Now you click on customization. You select customization. Good. This is what it's going to look like. Okay, this place now is just for your profile setup, but that's not what we are in for. Remember, we selected customization, right? And it brought us here, so you have to go to this place. They wrote home tab. Select home tab. Good. All right, let me delete all these things so that you understand what I mean. Okay, remove video, remove video, remove sections, remove sections. All right, let me publish this. Let me just show you that this is how your channel looks like when you don't work on your home tab. Let me publish this, then we'll go back to my YouTube channel to check if it has taken effect. let's let's refresh. Okay, Olachi Zacks. Let's click on my channel, and this is our home tab. Are you seeing, guys? So that video, the first one I showed you, where you have this one as the big screen and other suggested for you videos and other is not here. That's because you didn't set up your home page. This one here is just the only one that the YouTube algorithm is suggesting to your audience, and this is just the only thing they'll see. But if you want them to see more, if you want new subscribers to come in and there is this particular video they must watch, you have to set it up here. Okay, so let's go back to our desktop site. Good. So guys, we are back to the desktop site. This is what the desktop site looks like. I see. Alright, so yeah, it wrote the home tab. So home tabs, show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content to your audience. Are you guys seeing this? Show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content to your audience. Is it on? Make sure this thing is on, because if it's not on, that means that's suggested videos that the YouTube algorithm suggested there will not even be on. So make sure that this home tab of a thing is actually on. That's how that video would show. All right, now to do that settings that I'm talking about, let's add some sessions. This is called layout. Customize the layout of your channel homepage with up to 12 sections. I'm not going to do up to 12. I'll just do maybe like 2 or 3. Okay, so let's go. Let's add some sections. So let's zoom in. Wait, sorry, do you guys see where I selected this place? They wrote layout. Let's add some sections. Then you click on, you select on sections. All right, so I'm going to, first of all, what I'm going to set up is my channel trailer. All right, your channel trailer is that video that anybody that visits your YouTube page, your YouTube channel, they must see that video, whether it's a new subscriber or a new viewer. So we'll select channel trailer. Good. And now you have to choose a particular video you want to be your channel trailer. Let me choose this one. Okay, are you guys seeing? Channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. Okay, this is for people who haven't subscribed. I'll also set channel trailer for people who have already subscribed to my channel. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. Channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. Okay, All right, let's add another section. Let me zoom in. Add another section. Um, spotlight for returning subscribers. Let's set for returning subscribers. So which one should I use for returning subscribers? Uh, let's use this same one. Let's still use it for returning subscribers. So I'm using the same video, but if you want, you can choose a different video. Why I'm using this video is because this is a video I just recently uploaded and I needed to get more views. Okay, so once maybe new viewers and subscribers are coming to my channel, they will be seeing this video and it will help me get more views. All right, so let's set one more. Okay, short videos, no, live, past live streams, upcoming live streams, single, multiple playlist. Okay guys, I think I'm going to set single playlist. Let's choose single playlist. Okay, zoom out. Let's choose a single playlist, and once I'm done with this, we'll go back to my channel to show you what is looking like. Select this on YouTube beginners guide. Okay, so I'm featuring just one single playlist on this channel. Maybe with time I will add more. So let's publish. Okay, hope you guys are seeing where I'm clicking on this place. They wrote publish. Good. So we are publishing. Yeah, as you can see down here, it says it has published. All right, so let's go back to our YouTube channel to check if it has actually published. So this is the YouTube channel. We'll refresh. Let's go back. We'll refresh. Okay. All right, so click. Bam. Are you guys seeing it? So this was not the first video you saw, right? This is my latest video that I just made yesterday. Okay, then this one, as you can see, this particular one is video that is suggested for new subscribers, for subscribers and new viewers or people that are not yet subscribed to my channel. Do you see? Now then, this for you is the one the YouTube algorithm itself uses its hand to suggest for the viewers, because the YouTube algorithm knows the kind of content they prefer to watch more. Then that single playlist I set, I just chose it from one of my playlists. See, the YouTube beginners guides. So these are all the videos that are in that playlist. If you don't know what playlist is, come over here. This place is home. Okay, this place is video, this place is short, this place is playlist. So this is playlist, and the playlist I chose there was this one, this one, this one, this particular one. Okay, so let's go back to home. So yeah, that's it guys. This is how you set up your YouTube homepage. Okay, I hope you found this video very helpful. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Ask your questions. If you are confused, you need help in any way, please leave me that comment at the comment section and I'll be of help to you. I'll see you in my next one. Ciao.